the state step in?
Justice shouldn't be a matter of how fat your wallet is. This is a state of Ohio prosecution. That's what the indictment says, the state of Ohio versus the defendant. And the state ought to be willing to cover the costs on an extraordinary, once in a lifetime kind of prosecution like this.
So any indication, Attorney General said he uses financial way?
So look, a small county, a case like this is a budget buster. They just don't have the resources to be able to do that. And we don't want a prosecutor to be forced into, making a light indictment on a serious crime just because of the dollars involved.
Starting to pile up. So I mean, this $100,000, if hadn't have come pretty soon, we were going to have probably close to, I'd say at least half of that money we were going to have to start paying, or money due.
How much could the prosecution cost?
I have no idea. I'm hearing that, yeah, according to Mr. Yost today, I mean, he was saying could be upwards of 7 digits. So I mean, that's it's one of those deals. I don't know how much we can lift, but I know how much we can't, and that's something as our county we can't carry that. Impossible. So,
Thank you very much.
all right.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time.
All righty.
Now, the definition of news is something that doesn't happen very often, and we have some today. What doesn't happen very often is some guy from Columbus doesn't show up in southern Ohio with a check very often. But Rob, I wonder if you'd come up. Rob Junk, our county prosecuting attorney here. I'm proud to be working closely with his office to prosecute this case. And on behalf of the people of Ohio, a down payment for you and the commissioners to get this thing taken care of. It's signed and everything.
Wow, such a good to you. Thank you. Thank you. We appreciate everything you've done for us, Attorney General Yost. And thank you, Senator Peterson. Thank you, Representative Wilkin. Thank you. And thank you. Again, on behalf of Pike County, our prosecution team, our law enforcement agencies, our Pike County commissioners are here. I want to publicly thank everyone for this $100,000 down payment on the Wagner cases. It will help. We are a very small county. Our budgets are limited, and when everything is over, there will be some tremendous expenditures. That this will help, and I thank you.
Commissioners?
Best due to a court order, will his office see any of this money?
Well, the money goes to county commissioners to defray the costs of the prosecution. And as legislative authority, they have, under the supervision of the court, will actually make the determinations about what costs are charged against this money.
It kind of takes a village, I suppose.
Yeah, because the murder statute is not a Pike County statute. It's a state of Ohio statute. If you look at the indictment, it says the state of Ohio versus whichever Wagner we're talking about. So this is a state prosecution that happens in a county.
Can you speak?
Taking care of that.
Thank you. I didn't want to forget to say it, Mike. Well, thank you.
I'll ask if we dress code for an event.
Dealing with reporters, anything like that.
Show up, I'm the only guy that really doesn't have ties.